Greetings, my name is Devin McKenzie, the market analyst at Aluma Capital, and I'll be taking you through this week's CFD trading ideas for the 2nd to 6th of October 2017. These trading ideas are a valuable resource to the active trader seeking to add additional positions to his or her current portfolio. In the week ahead, the price action of the CFDs presented here may or may not be desirable to initiate high probability trades. These will depend on underlying market forces. The CFDs presented here need to be monitored carefully so that if the price action plays out as anticipated, trades can be initiated at the suggested entry levels. This week there are 9 trading ideas, and these include a long trade in African Rainbow Minerals. Here we'll look to buy the stock at current levels. It's already reversed up from the 200-day moving average and looks to be on its way towards 108 Rand, so we'll look to buy the stock at current levels, setting our take profit towards 108 Rand and our stop loss around 99 Rand. There's a possible long trade in Capitec. Here we'll monitor the stock to see if it trades down towards the 840 Rand region, at which point we'll buy it for a move up towards 880 Rand. There's a possible long trade in DRD Gold. The price action on this stock over the last month seems to be forming a triangle pattern in the daily price chart, and if the stock is able to trade up and close above 5 Rand 20 cents, it would validate a break to the upper boundary of this triangle pattern and suggest a move up towards 5 Rand 70 cents. So we'll look to buy the stock if it manages to trade up above 5 Rand 20. There's a possible long trade in FirstRand Bank. The stock is currently trading around an area where there is multiple support from the 200-day moving average, as well as lateral support in the 51 Rand 50 cents to 51 Rand region. So if the stock begins to reverse upwards from this region, then we'll look to buy it for a move up towards 53 Rand 50 cents. There's a possible long trade in Gold Fields. The price action here has also been forming a flat-sided triangle in the daily price chart, and it requires a move above 59 Rand to break the upper boundary of this triangle. So we'll monitor to see if the price is able to trade above 59 Rand, and then we'll look to buy the stock, setting our take profit at 63 Rand 70 cents and our stop loss at 57 Rand. There's a possible short trade in Massmart. We do anticipate that the stock is going to trade upwards in the days ahead, but we wouldn't look to take advantage of the upward movement given that the trend over the last month has been downward. So we'll prefer to short the stock in accordance with the downward trend, and so we'll monitor to see if it trades up towards 116 Rand and begins to reverse down from there before we'll look to short the stock for a move down towards 108 Rand, and we'll set our stop loss above the reversal high. There's a possible short trade in Netcare. The stock looks to be making its way towards the resistance from the downtrend as well as the 50-day moving average. So we'll monitor to see if the stock can trade up towards the region just below 25 Rand, and if the stock begins to reverse down from that region, then we'll look to short it for a move down towards 23 Rand 50, placing our stop loss above the reversal high. There's a long trade in Sibanye Gold. The stock reversed up from a long-standing lateral support last Thursday, which was the 28th of September, and we can look to buy it at current levels for a move up towards 17 Rand. There's also a possible long trade in Vodacom. Here we are still waiting for the stock to trade up towards the 161 Rand 60 cents level, and if it's able to trade up to this level, then we'll look to buy it for a move up to the region between 167 Rand 50 cents and 170 Rand. Those are your trade ideas for this week. As always, if you are going to trade, please remember to use protective stop losses.